Hey guys, it's Kat. Today we are unboxing the iPhone 14 Plus model in purple. Without further ado, let's get into it. If you guys enjoyed my unboxing, hit the subscribe button and follow my TikTok and Instagram if you want to see more hack and review videos for all things tech. I love making these videos for you guys. Comment down below what you guys want me to test out on these new iPhone 14 Plus models. I'm going to compare them to the Pros and let you guys know what I like more and just the difference of features. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I will see you soon. Bye!